We're back again. We have another dash cam install this time on the wife's 2017 Hyundai Accent. The install is going to be slightly differently on this one because we can't use a hardwire kit because the car goes for driving assessments and you can't run a dash cam on your assessment, so it has to be easily switch offable or take outable.
So when you say install, you mean stick it on the window and plug it in?
We're going to stick it on the we're going to hide the wire as well, which is kind of most of what you do when you're doing installs. But we need to have it accessible so that it can be unplugged.
Right.
Hence,
stay tuned.
No hardwire kit.
Install.
We have another VIOFO, which we like the VIOFOs. But this one, I think I got it $90 shipped off Marketplace secondhand. Allegedly brand new. No screen on this one. So it should be another 5-minute install. That's what she said. And a big long cable run.
So always clean the window first with window cleaner or degreaser.
Done.
Make sure it sticks good.
Yeah.
And then when you're looking for a spot, try and put it somewhere where it's out of the eye line, just in case it does have a screen that's not in the way.
So we're kind of between here or here. What do you think?
I personally like it there so it's not in the way.
So I guess we could put the sticky pad onto the coloured bit and then it'll see through the screen below.
Yeah.
So right next to the thing.
Yeah, might as well.
Well, it can't be right next to it because we're going to run the cable to there.
Yeah.
So where's the end of the cable? So that's going to be that way around, isn't it? So it's going to be something like that. The cable will be the other way around, so it feeds up into the head lining. Something like.
Yeah. And then
when it's far enough away that if somebody really is stressed, they can pull the cable out.
Yeah.
So kind of halfway between the two.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
And then we'll get that installed. So believe it or not, it's not that hard to hide cables when you run a dash cam. Usually between the headliner and the glass, you can kind of just shove, and it'll kind of stay in there. And then once you get it started, you can just give it one of those. When you get to the A-pillar, sometimes you got to pull that trim panel off. Sometimes you can shove it down the crack.
Again, that's what she said.
I might run it the other way, mate. I might go through that gap there, yeah, and then down the outside of it. Because you should.
This off?
It's just clips, I'm guessing. Start that again. So yeah, you can kind of run it down the weather stripping, and then wherever you need to go from there, into the glove box or up under the dash.
Yeah. So because we've put the CarPlay in this one, there's a power supply and cable for doing all sorts of other bits and bobs in there, so that will be able to power the camera. Not really what I was going to run it to here so that the assessors can see it and it says dash cam on it and they can just pull it if they're stressed about it. So, but we can test with this.
Yeah, we'll test with that.
And the cable's plenty long enough. Okay, so we've run the cable down here into the glove box here. That's going to test it with the CarPlay power supply and it should just burst into life. Hit it! We'll need to make sure we mute that as well. Muted.
Oh, VIOFO.
Memory card error. Please format the card.
Oh,
Okay, unfortunately I'm going to have to use the phone I'm recording on. So I'm going to cut you guys off. Okay, so we managed to get the cable to run across behind the dash cam and down through the gap. This panel, sorry, probably should have shown you. You can put a spludger at the top and it will pry out, and we've fed the cable through, and we're just going to put a 12 volt USB in there and it can plug in there. But it needs to be labelled so the Department of Transport bods can pull it out if they're not happy with the other end. The final step, labelling the cable.
To make it idiot proof for some assessors so they know what cable to pull. We won't mention any names.
Try and get it as neat as I can. Failing. There we go, dash cam. And then that can plug into either one of them when I get a power supply for it.
Easy. So yeah, installed camera there. You don't see any cabling. Runs power down there.
Yeah, pretty neat, pretty quick. That literally was a 5-minute job.
Well, 20, but seemed like 5 minutes.
Seemed like 5 minutes.
Right. Is this all the work we have to do on this?
This is all the work we have to do on this.
Another car done.
I guess the next time you guys are going to see this will be when it's serviced. Or unless the clutch has a further issue.
Oh, don't say that.
As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a see if you can find our special link that we've hidden somewhere.
Over there.
Do the like, comment, subscribe thing. We'll see you for the next video.
Thanks, guys.